Hey, Dan Passarelli here. Well, it was kind of another crazy day in the stock market today. The market looked poised to open a bit higher today, and then it did, but it turned around in a jiff. As soon as Trump announced that he would add more tariffs to China, up to 104% now, I believe it is. So that made the market turn around pretty darn quickly, closing down 1.5% today in the SPY. Is there any bright areas in the market right now? Well, yeah, maybe there kind of is. There's one that shines bright like a diamond, or at least if you squeeze it hard enough. That is Core Natural Resources, symbol CNR. And they are coal producers. They make metallurgical coal and another type of coal. And they had a pretty darn good day today, up 6.55%. Now, that was because Trump announced that he wanted to revitalize the coal industry here in the U.S. Now, doing some preliminary superficial kind of research here, it looks like the United States produces about 11% of the world's coal. That is as of 2023. And they, like I said, they produced 11%. They actually use 11% also. So that is interesting to think about, the logic there and what those implications are. Sounds to me like the object is to produce more coal than the U.S. makes, so I guess to be an export. So interesting. We'll keep an eye on that. Now, if we do look at this candle here in CNR, it's kind of interesting. It's kind of a little doji with very high volume, the second highest volume of this 6-month period, and barely really it's up 6.5% from yesterday's close, but from today's open, actually down just a smidge from today's open. If we go and look at when that news was announced, that was early today at 9:32. And if we look at the 1-minute chart, we see that it was up pretty much all throughout the day and then kind of took a route lower when the China news was announced, but then did spike just a little bit at the end of the day, though so did the rest of the market. So this could be one to watch from an outperformance standpoint. And as we know, outperformance just means simply doing better than the market. So doesn't necessarily mean up, but it could mean less down, or it could mean up. So we keep an eye on that one and the rest of the tariff stuff. And don't forget, we have got CPI and PPI Thursday and Friday of this week. Hope that helps. This is Dan Passarelli, Trade Smart.